Get ready for an exciting event this weekend. Vandenberg Space Force Base is set to launch a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket, and it's a mission you won't want to miss. But here's where it gets controversial, or at least a little unexpected. The launch, scheduled for Saturday, aims to deliver 24 satellites into orbit as part of the Starlink constellation. And get this, the first stage booster, an experienced veteran, will be making its 20th flight. That's right, this booster has been around the block a few times, and it's ready to land on the Of Course I Still Love You droneship in the Pacific Ocean. Talk about a well-traveled rocket. The launch window is between 8:42 a.m. and 12:42 p.m., with SpaceX aiming for a liftoff after 11 a.m. If needed, they have backup opportunities during this timeframe, ensuring that this mission goes ahead smoothly. You can catch the action live on SpaceX's website or on their X account. And for those who want to witness the launch in person, the Lompoc Valley offers multiple viewing spots, including the Peep of Harrisgrade Road and areas around Vandenberg Village. Vandenberg launches near sunset or sunrise are known for their breathtaking views. If the skies are clear, you might even catch a glimpse of the rocket's departure from other parts of California. And, under the right conditions, even further afield in the western states. So, are you excited for this SpaceX rocket launch? It's a fascinating glimpse into the world of space exploration and satellite technology. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about the launch itself, but the story behind it, the journey of that experienced booster, the precision of the landing, and the impact of those 24 satellites on our connectivity. What are your thoughts on this mission? Do you find it as intriguing as I do? Feel free to share your comments and let's discuss the wonders of space exploration together.